Today we're going to show you how to put PC net on. Simply bring it out of the box, throw it over, spread it out. You're going to check two things. Firstly, your carabiners to make sure they're up the right way. If they're not, simply flick it over. Then you're going to look for at least one of your labels. Like for argument's sake, this one is a 1.2 because the pallet is a 1 by 1.2. This will show you the sides. So you've got a 1 by a 1.2 pallet. Once you've got that in action, find your carabiner hooks, unhook them, unwrap them, and let them hang down by each of the sides. So we'll do this side. Once you've done that, all you're going to do is pull them down on each of the corners. Slowly work your piece of net down your goods to the bottom of the pallet. Once you have them at the bottom of the pallet, going to have your carabiner hooked on your elasticated strap. Now these are going to go and secure to the pallets, however just remembering that which way you forklift. So if you forklift from this way, you're going to ideally hook it on the D-rings on the other side or opposite. So for this, I'm going to bring it round. Pull your net down and hook it up. If you're going to do it on this side, you're going to make sure the hook is coming the same sides. Once again, it's all to do with keeping it out of the forklift area. Just bring it down and you've got good stretchability. Do this corner. Because we've done it on this side, you're going to do it on the exact same opposite side. Once you've secured all, get your cam buckles, get your straps, pull it up tight this way and this way. You've got then a secure pallet. You can stack it up in your warehouse, transport it around. For taking it off, just loosen these. Don't undo them totally, just loosen them. Easily undo your hooks. This corner and your last one, and then you're just going to work your PC net up pulling them up on the corners. For storage, you don't have to twist these around. All you have to do is to clip them together. The reason we do that is to stop the tangling. So you can bring your PC net together and it's ready to go for the next time.